Hello and namaste everyone. My name is Anamika Rana. I'm a tarot card reader, an astrologer, a healer and a numerologist. We all have some or the other issues in life which cause us distress or emotional frustration or even depression, and we all keep struggling with just one perfect way to get out of this kind of distress and emotional trauma. But don't you worry, because in this video I will talk about a very interesting and a very simple technique which is scientifically also proven that it works on a body if done using the right technique. And all you need is just 2 minutes to do this particular technique. This technique is called EFT, which means Emotional Freedom Technique, and it works in sync with another technique called acupuncture, acupressure. You must have heard of it. EFT basically is a technique which talks about how you can use certain energy points on your body and setting the right intention, and simply by setting the right intention and using these energy points you are able to let go of any kind of blockages in your energy which are making you feel emotionally low or drained out of energy. So without wasting much time, let's quickly start discussing what is to be done and how it is to be done. See, in Emotional Freedom Technique, you need to first of all set an intention, or rather realize what exactly is the root cause of the problem which is causing you emotional distress. For example, for a lot of people, the emotional distress is caused because of a bad behavior from another person. For some people it is caused because of maybe fatigue issues. So basically for every person the reason is different. You have to realize and first of all understand what is the root cause of your problem. For example, if I assume that the root cause of my problem which is causing me emotional distress is maybe lack of sleep, or maybe some kind of stress going on in my life. So first of all I have to realize the problem, and then I also have to tell myself that even though I know this particular problem is there in my life, I am willing to let go of it. See, maximum people get stuck because they know the problem but they are wanting to cling on to the problem, and subconsciously they want to let go of it but consciously they are not able to. So in this particular technique of EFT, I will help you to let go of the problems by using a very simple tapping technique. It's called tapping technique because in this particular process we use different energy points and we tap on those energy points and we keep repeating the intention, and simply just by tapping at every energy point for 5 to 7 minutes you will be able to let go of the problem. For example, I realized that my problem is that I'm having some kind of maybe depression or some kind of anxiety disorders, but I also acknowledge that yes, I am willing to let go of it. So first part is you first of all you acknowledge the problem, and in the second part you tell the universe that I am willing to let go of it. So for example, even though I know that I have emotional disorders or anxiety disorders, second part, I am willing to let go of it and emerge as a better soul. So the statement goes, even though I have emotional and anxiety disorders, I am willing and receptive to let go of it. So after saying this, you have to now start tapping on those energy points. There are basically 9 different energy points which you have to tap onto. You have to use these 2 fingers, the index finger and the next finger beside the index finger, and you have to start tapping on these particular energy point. Energy point 1 is over here, the karate position. That, and you, while you are tapping for 5 to 7 minutes, you keep repeating this particular sentence. For example, even though I have emotional and anxiety disorders, I am willing to let go of it. Even though I know I have emotional disorders, I am willing to let go of it. Even though I know I have anxiety disorders, I am willing to let go of it. Even though I know I have anxiety disorders, I am willing to let go of it. Even though I know I have anxiety disorders, I am willing to let go of it. Even though I know I have anxiety disorders, I am willing to let go of it. Even though I know I have anxiety disorders, I am willing to let go of it. Even though I know I have anxiety disorders, I am willing to let go of it. Even though I know I have anxiety disorders, I am willing to let go of it. So basically, you realize that I was tapping at 9 different energy points, and with every tapping, I was repeating this particular sentence, and this basically tried to focus the energy on every energy point for at least 5 to 7 seconds. Energy point one was the hand, okay, the palm. Second, third, like just beside your eye, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, that is the collarbone, seven, underarms like near the armpits, eight, and forehead over here, nine. So when you start tapping on these particular 9 energy points with this particular intention, that is, you first of all acknowledge the problem, and then you are willing to let go of the problem, and you start repeating this. So what happens is basically you are intentionally reminding yourself of the problem, and also of the fact that even though I have a problem, so what, I am willing to let go of it. Trust me everybody, trust me friends, this technique is very powerful, and simply by doing it just one cycle of 9 points, you will be able to let go of a huge chunk of the emotional disorder. A simpler way to do it is you can just rate your problem on a scale of 1 to 10 before doing this technique, and then again you can rate the problem between 1 to 10 after doing this technique. Trust me, you will feel an immediate improvement, and all it requires is your time, that is 1.5 to 2 minutes, and an intention coming from your mind. So I hope you like this video, and more than that, I really hope that you practice this particular technique, and you can actually go on the internet as well and read more about this technique. It's a very strong, scientifically well proven technique as well, and it works in very close sync with acupressure as well. The only difference being acupressure focuses on pressurizing these particular energy points, and EFT focuses on tapping these energy points. Trust me, if you just do this practice for at least even like 7 to 11 days, you will start seeing a massive improvement in yourself, and you will be able to let go of so much of emotional stress in your life. So I really hope you like this video. If you like this video, try to also share it across with as many people as you can and so that they might also benefit with this knowledge, because sharing is always caring.